Hey, it's Tara Robinson with the Williams Ave Real Estate Team out in Enumclaw. I'm here at 1580 East Packard in Buckley. Come check out this house.
Enjoy a bright and modern kitchen with a large center island for entertaining friends or just having a glass of wine yourself.
Oh, did you want some of this? I was just getting ready for the next soccer game.
Enjoy a cup of espresso in front of the gas fireplace.
One of the first things I noticed here as a parent and a dog mom is this handy gate that happens to block the stairs. Aesthetically pleasing and utilitarian. And on a sunny day, some views of Mount Rainier. I said on a sunny day.
Check out this great loft-style bonus room.
With 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, there's enough room for everybody.
Added bonus, you don't have to carry your laundry up and down the stairs. I've always wanted an upstairs laundry room.
Primary includes an ensuite and a walk-in closet. And finally, this awesome covered patio, perfect for your barbecues and outdoor entertaining, complete with a fire pit.